because I have seen people in Pakistan that they are not able to maintain a proper work-life balance, and that is why their work is disturbed, their family is complaining, their friends are complaining that you don't give them good time, and above all, a person himself is not happy because hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of our new series, the Ask Farhan Show. You know the context that you can ask me any question, and I'm going to make a special video to answer your question. Now, today, the question that we have is from Kinza Reyes, and she's asking that how can we maintain a perfect work-life balance? It's a very good question because I have seen people in Pakistan that they are not able to maintain a proper work-life balance, and that is why their work is disturbed, their family is complaining, their friends are complaining that you don't give them good time, and above all, a person himself is not happy because situations are leading him and he's not the one who is leading his own life, and he can have a good work-life balance. So he's disturbed. That's why I must appreciate this question. Now, to answer your question that how can we maintain the work-life balance, I would suggest you, Kinza, what you should do is to make a list of all the things which are not letting you maintain a good work-life balance, or the things which are taking a lot of your attention. You're spending a lot of your time over there, and you're not happy with that. Make a list for yourself, and that list would be different than other people's situation. For example, the reasons which are not letting me maintain my work-life balance would be different than yours, of course. Same as your friends, your family member, everybody has different reasons. You have to find out your own reason. Make a list of those reasons, and what next you are going to do. I'm gonna suggest you a few of the things that would these suggestions would be really general. You can apply that into your life, and you will actually feel the difference. But before that, I must tell you that what is the good work-life balance. If you are working and you're making good money, you are doing things which are helping you to learn more and more, which are helping you to be creative, then you are spending your time with your family members, then you are spending your time with your friends, you are traveling after some specified time period. It could be after a month, it could be after 6 months, it could be every week. If you're traveling, if you're exercising on daily basis, if you're doing something which you really like to do and nobody has any concern with that, it could be painting, it could be playing a video game, it could be reading novels, it could be, just to have a cup of coffee and to spend your time with your own self. It could be anything. If you are doing these things, so it means you already have a good work life balance. If any of these things are disturbed, or there are a few things that you want to do and you're not able to find out the appropriate time for that, or you're not able to manage your time for that, so of course you are disturbed. And for that, we can clearly say that your work life balance is disturbed. Now, people who really want to enjoy all these things all together, they actually take bit strict action. Just like I can tell you a good example of my friend. He's a businessman, and I have seen him not taking any professional call after 6 o'clock. He claims that when I'm at work, I never take any call from my family members, from my friend, and I ask them to just send me the message on WhatsApp. Might be, if that's important, I'll call you back. If that's not important, I'm gonna pay my attention to my work only. Same as after 6 o'clock, he never takes any call. He is spending his time with the family members, with the friends. So if anything is important, let's suppose if there is any, so he has this condition that always send me a message. If it's important, I'll get back to you. If not, that I'll answer your question in the morning, or I'll get back to you in the morning. Same as, the foreigners, or you can see the successful people, the people from successful nations, you will observe that they have good work-life balance. When they are working, they spend all of their dedication, they spend their time with, a very effective time at work, and they do not think about party, about their friends, family, or anything. And when they are enjoying after that, they just focus on their vocation, their free time. They just have, and they just try to have as little time as possible, and they don't think about the work. So they have divided into the two parts. You would have to do it strictly. It all starts with your mind. But now, a few suggestions that I can give you right now. Number one is you have to find out the priority. What are the things that you want to do at the priority basis? Because if you will do those important things, and after that the least important things are not getting done today, let's suppose, and you're having your own time now, you're spending your time with your friends, family, or let's suppose even if you're watching a movie, you would not complain yourself a lot because you have done the important part. And there is a quotation that says, eat the frog first. Eat the frog first simply means that just simply do the difficult task or thing which are really important at the beginning. So in the morning, whenever you start your day, just find it out at what are the things which are really important for you and do the things accordingly. You know, that's the first suggestion. Number two, you have to be strict about your day schedule. Now, what are the things that you are going to do today? Always plan your day. If you're not planning your day, so it means every single thing is so scattered, you cannot plan anything, and you do not have any plan, and situations are dragging you. I would suggest you plan. I mean, every single thing that you want to do, first plan the what you're going to do in 1 year, then what you're going to do in 6 months, in 1 quarter, in 1 month, in 1 week, and 1 day. Divide your goals accordingly and just stick to that. Follow that. Work accordingly. Prioritize yourself. That's how you will be doing your important work. Then it's also important that for your own leisure time, you should also understand that you are spending your time yourself with yourself. You are relaxing yourself mentally, you're relaxing yourself physically. It's important because if you are mentally disturbed, if your body is so tired, of course you cannot even enjoy, you cannot even spend good time with the people, you cannot even focus more on the work. So that is important. Another thing, I have seen people taking things personally at work and treating people, in fact, their family members and their friends, professionally. That is not good. You should treat people the way they should get treated. When you are at work, focus on the work only. When you are at home, just do not deal anybody with the strictness and do not apply those professional traits that you have learned into your family member because they don't like it. Same as when you're doing the personal things at your workplace, even they don't like that as well. So these are a few of my suggestions that you should do and add the workout, take proper sleep, eat healthy, and spend your time with yourself, meditate, and focus more on the things which are helping you to go creative, and you're making good money as well. So these all are the things that would help you to maintain the good work life balance. I hope I have answered your question. If not, and if you want any further clarification, you can ask me another specified question, and I would love to make another video for you. So, Kinza, thank you so very much for asking this question. And if anybody else, whosoever has any question, just type me the question in the comment box, and I would love to answer the question by making a special video for you. Till then, take care, stay blessed. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.